Pitter patter, pitter patter. We have an intruder. Hello, you gonna say hi all to the people? Are you saying hi to the people? Hello. Which card would you go for, huh? Which one gives you the most Tritos? Is it the Freedom Flex? Is it the Freedom Unlimited? Which one? Okay, say bye-bye. What if I told you there was one credit card so powerful that it quite literally was the one to rule them all? Well, that doesn't exist. But what does exist is the ideal first starter credit card. And today, that is what we're going to discuss. Now, this card is a true Swiss Army knife. Okay, not a literal Swiss Army knife, but it is a jack of all trades when it comes to starting and getting your first credit card. This card ticks all the boxes when it comes to no annual fee, cash back, as well as a sign-up bonus. I present to you the Chase Freedom Flex and Chase Freedom Unlimited. Okay, I know. I said card, those are cards. Trust me, when it comes to those cards, they really are the exact same with the slight nuance in how the cashback earnings are. But before we jump into that, I want to convince you as to why you should consider either card as your first credit card. First, when it comes to cards from Chase Bank, they have what is essentially the most infamous of all rules. It's the 524 rule. Ooh. The 524 rule from Chase simply states that if you have had more than 5 credit cards in the last 24 months from any bank, Chase is going to deny you flat out. You're wondering, why would anyone have more than 5 credit cards? Well, let's walk through a math example here to show you. Say, for instance, you spent $500 last month on a credit card that earns you 3% cash back. You would reasonably assume that that's 1,500 points, which is not bad. That's awesome. To be able to earn more than 1% is amazing. But let's say, for instance, you had another card and you spent $500, and this card netted you 20,000 points. That's the equivalent of 40% cash back. You tell me, which are you gonna take? Exactly. And the reason why you can get 20,000 points is because that card had a sign-up bonus of 20,000 points after you spend $500 in the first 3 months. That card is actually the Chase Freedom Flex or the Chase Freedom Unlimited. I bring that point up because that is why so many people might have more than just 2 or 3 credit cards to be able to gain points much more quickly in a shorter time span. So you're wondering, is there a way to avoid the 524 rule? Unfortunately, no, you can't avoid it. But what you can do to mitigate it is by getting the most valuable cards from Chase Bank first. Now, I talk about value with Chase cards. What does that mean? Chase Bank, arguably, bar none, has some of the most valuable credit cards. They have amazing premium travel cards. The Chase Sapphire Reserve quite literally broke the internet. Okay, not the internet, but the credit card and travel world when it debuted in 2016 with a 100,000 point sign-up bonus. Unheard of at the time. Second, Chase has some of the most valuable co-branded credit cards on the market, such as the Chase Hyatt and the Chase United Airlines card. These co-branded cards are gonna earn you Hyatt points, United Airlines points, which have incredible outsized value. And third, the Chase Ultimate Reward Program. This program is, I can't stress it enough. It is the most valuable point program, bar none, when it comes to their travel redemption options, the travel redemption rate, as well as the transfer partners that you transfer the points to in order to then redeem. In addition, with the Chase Freedom line, you're gonna earn Chase Ultimate Rewards. I mentioned earlier, the Chase Ultimate Reward Program is the most powerful. What's amazing is if you were to open the Chase Sapphire Preferred or the Chase Sapphire Reserve later down the line, they also earn Ultimate Reward points, and all of those points will actually pool together. So you can see that's pretty incredible system when you're able to pool points across multiple cards. That is why individuals are gonna gun for Chase Bank cards first. And that is why you should as well. Given everything that I've said, I think it's a bit of a no-brainer. We have to be very strategic with how we open our credit cards. Because as you can see, some hold incredible value, whereas some don't really offer much at 1% cash back. We need to be very strategic and to really capture the value of credit cards that are going to offer incredible sign-up bonuses or incredible travel benefits or purchase protection, whatever that may be. We have to consider it holistically. Because getting a credit card isn't simply just having a credit card. At the end of the day, millennials and Gen Z, a credit card is another tool in your financial toolkit. That's it. And so we want to make sure that this tool is offering us outsized value. And I guarantee you there are some incredible cards that are going to offer that. Namely, to start, the Chase Freedom Flex and the Chase Freedom Unlimited as a beginner card. Let's dive deeper into both those cards. The Chase Freedom line of cards offer a lot of similarities. For instance, 0% APR for 15 months. That's essentially meaning that there's no interest charged to any carried balance for 15 months. There's also 3% cash back when it comes to dining, restaurants, as well as drugstores. Both cards come with a very nice sign-up bonus. After spending $500 in 3 months, you will receive 20,000 points, which is equivalent to $200. Really, the only difference is the Chase Freedom Unlimited offers 1.5 cash back across all purchases, whereas the Chase Freedom Flex offers 5% cash back on rotating categories every quarter and 1% cash back on all other purchases. So it'll be up to you where you think your spending is to be able to maximize the cashback earnings. If you're interested in either card, I'm going to leave my referral link below. And if you have any questions about either card, please let me know. Again, appreciate all of you for tuning in. If you have questions related to other credit cards or what a strategy might look like past the first Chase card, let me know in the comments and I'd be happy to go ahead and build that for you. Until next time, peace.